Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bulb changer is probably one of the most helpful tools for anyone with high ceilings, saving you from the struggles of unstable ladders or risky balancing acts. This video review dives deep into what makes a great high ceiling light bulb changer, exploring features, ease of use, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect tool for your home maintenance needs, ensuring safe and efficient bulb replacements every time. Number 5. DOCA Telescoping Pole. This versatile pole extends from 6 to 24 feet, reaching those hard-to-reach places safely and easily. It's perfect for a variety of cleaning and maintenance tasks. It features a sturdy metal tip for tough jobs and an attachable multi-angle tip for added flexibility. Clean gutters, paint ceilings, or even take aerial photos with ease. Its compact design makes it easy to store in a closet or hang on a wall. The quick-release lever lets you adjust its length for easy transport in any vehicle. Use it with a wide range of DOCA attachments, including cleaning supplies, brushes, squeegees, and more. Expand its capabilities to suit your needs. From washing windows to pruning trees, it helps you tackle various tasks from the ground, keeping you safe and efficient. It's the only telescopic pole you'll ever need. What we like. It extends from 6 to 24 feet, reaching those hard-to-reach spots. The dual-tip design makes it versatile for various tasks. If you need a highly versatile and easily stored solution for various high-reaching tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The extendy pole. Absolutely awesome. Sturdy as hell and really nice to use. The fenestrated pole and adjustable quick locks completely avoid rotational slip. The DOCA attachments screw on tightly and don't unwind when it's up at 36 feet, no more having to duct tape your squeegee or bringing the tool back to the ground to attempt another repair. Very easy to use and does a great job on siding and the eaves. Number 4. DocaPole Light Bulb Changer. Changing hard-to-reach light bulbs is now a breeze. This innovative tool makes quick work of those high ceilings and outdoor fixtures. Its large suction cup is perfectly designed for flat, smooth bulbs like recessed and floodlights. It provides a secure grip for easy bulb changes. Unlike other changers, it features a secure thumb screw and push-pin design. This prevents the suction cup from spinning, ensuring a safe and efficient change. It works great for indoor recessed lights and outdoor floodlights. It's perfect for various LED lights on clean, smooth surfaces. It's not just for light bulbs. Its universal threaded tip works with other DocaPole attachments, expanding its uses to many hard-to-reach tasks. Say goodbye to dangerous ladders and hello to convenient bulb changes. Get yours today. What we like. Its premium suction cup is designed for secure bulb changing. The thumb screw prevents spinning, ensuring a safe change. If you prioritize a secure and reliable way to change bulbs from the ground, this is your best bet. What people say. The massive pole arrived today in one of the big Amazon trucks with air brakes whose hiss signifies that you've bought something momentous. The suction cup holds bulbs pretty well, but I prefer to collapse the pole, stand it upright, put the bulb on the cup, and then extend the sections. It came right out and the new bulb readily stuck to the suction cup and went right back into the fixture. Again, all with my feet firmly planted on the floor. Number 3. Ettore 48350 Bulb Changer Kit. This handy kit makes changing almost any broken bulb a breeze. It's perfect for flood, incandescent, and FCL bulbs. With this kit, you can easily access recessed and track lighting. No more struggling to reach those difficult bulbs. Don't worry about getting cut. It includes a special tool for safely removing broken bulbs. For even greater reach, it's compatible with the Ettore 43011 extension pole. This is sold separately. The standard threaded end ensures it easily attaches to the extension pole. Get the job done quickly and safely. This complete kit contains everything you need to tackle any bulb changing task. It's a must-have for any homeowner. What we like. This kit is designed to change almost any bulb, including broken ones. It's compatible with standard extension poles, offering flexibility. If you need a comprehensive kit for various bulb types and prefer using your own pole, this is a great option. What people say. This made it so easy. The thing that stood out was that there was a hole in the end of their pole that the set screw went into that keeps the basket from rotating without cracking the plastic. I used the suction cup to remove 2 light bulbs, which worked very easily. I used the large cage to install the replacement bulbs. Number 2. BAYCO LBC 600 SDL8 bulb changer. Changing light bulbs just got a whole lot easier. This innovative tool makes quick work of even the most difficult to reach bulbs. It comes with 3 different heads, so it can handle virtually any type of bulb. No more struggling to reach those high places. It's built to last with a durable powder coat finish. You can count on it to perform time after time. The 11-foot, 3-section steel pole extends to reach those hard-to-reach bulbs with ease. No more ladders or precarious balancing acts. The adjustable cord stop keeps the cord secure and tangle-free. It's designed for convenience and safety. With it, changing light bulbs is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply extend the pole, attach the correct head, and twist. What we like. It comes with an 11-foot pole and 3 different changer heads for versatility. The durable powder coat finish ensures longevity. If you need a complete, durable solution with multiple heads for different bulb types, this is a solid choice. What people say. I began by inserting a spare bulb by hand into the appropriate sized bulb removal basket. It slipped right in with the help of surprisingly little pressure from my hand. And I was able to pull it out just as quickly. I was amazed by how strongly the yellow rubber coatings in the basket spokes gripped the bulb. I then tried to remove and replace similar light bulbs in the same style of fixture in my basement ceiling, which is only about 7 feet high. That way, if I got into any trouble, for example, if the tool were to get stuck, if the basket were to separate from the pole, or if the bulb were to break, I could easily bail myself out simply by reaching the bulb with my hands. I then tried and succeeded in using the basket on the pole to remove and replace a bulb in my basement. Number 1. BAYCO LBC 100 bulb changer. This innovative tool is designed for ease and safety when changing standard incandescent bulbs. It's perfect for various applications. It's designed in the USA with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. You can depend on it to get the job done. Its robust design makes it ideal for tactical situations where reliable lighting is critical. It's built to withstand tough conditions. Take it with you on your outdoor adventures. It's compact and easy to carry, ensuring you're always prepared. It's also perfect for everyday use around the home or during recreational activities. It simplifies a common task. Changing incandescent bulbs has never been easier or safer. This tool makes light work of a potentially difficult job. What we like. Made in the USA with high-quality materials, it's built to last. It's perfect for standard incandescent bulbs. If you value quality and durability for changing standard incandescent bulbs, this is a great option. What people say. Very well made item, screwed it to a paint pole, and changed my porch light bulb quickly and easily. Used this to change standard light bulbs on a high ceiling fan. Worked great. Didn't have to use a ladder. For anyone who is leery of using a ladder or for light bulbs in a tricky position, this is an excellent tool. It took me less than a minute to replace a bulb in my stairwell. It just attaches to any broomstick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.